Hi, it's Terry from Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center. Today we have Robert Smolin from BG Products to talk about EPR, Engine Performance Restoration. Can you tell us a little bit about this product, Robert?
EPR is a great product that's going to help keep your engine clean. It's going to clean deposits and it's going to clean marshes inside your engine. It is also going to keep your piston rings clean to help prevent blow-by inside your engine and the loss of engine oil, which in the industry, in the market today, we're seeing a lot of that.
Okay, excellent. Am I correct? There's been a lot of case studies with this product about compression. So you guys have done studies where you check compression on vehicles before you use a product, and you check compression afterwards. What are your findings when you do that?
We are finding that with just one treatment of EPR, we can restore compression anywhere from 5 psi to 60 psi with just one treatment, depending on how clogged the rings are.
Wow, that is incredible. Well, thanks a lot for coming out today and explaining EPR to us, Robert. We appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Glad to be here.